help your body to get stuck emotions unstuck? Hi, I'm Miriam and I teach emotional intelligence skills. Welcome to EI for Life. When I worked with my fascia directly, so that's the connective tissue in which emotions get stuck, I have a separate video on that. Watch that if you haven't already. And watch the other one on how to get it unstuck as well while you're at it. I supported the process with specific nutrition. So the first thing, very important, is water. You need to drink a lot of water. If you don't like water or have trouble drinking it, unsweetened tea is just as well for hydration. So plenty of water, not just while you do your exercises, while you move with your fascia, but before, during, after. So more water. What happens at first is that you will have to use the bathroom quite a bit because at first your fascia will not actually be able to take that water in. But stick with it. See it as a new habit to make sure that you're always very well hydrated, and over time your fascia will replace the stuck gunky water in its cells with new fresh water you supply. Very important. The next thing you want is vitamin C. Because fascia cells, they need vitamin C to create new cells. Your body might need to build up new fascia cells. Fantastic. So help it along. There are fruits that are high in vitamin C, like kiwi or blackberries. Vegetables, I think broccoli. What I did is I looked them up and then I chose the ones I like to eat and just added more of those to my diet. And I also started to drink rosehip tea, which has a remarkably high amount of vitamin C in it. So I drink that a cup every single day. You want to make sure that you have enough vitamin C. Then you want mineral boosts, because lots and lots of water. Your body also needs lots and lots of minerals for all kinds of processes. What I like to do is I make myself a Nettle infusion. So I don't drink this every day, but every now and then I have like a mineral booster week where I make my Nettle infusion and then I just drink that. Nettle tea works as well, but for the mineral boost you really want to have the infusion. I'm going to link to a video on how to make that in the description as well. And then most importantly, practice intuitive eating. Your body knows what it needs. It knows if you suddenly crave potatoes, there's something in the potatoes, maybe it's potassium, that you need. If you suddenly crave bananas, it might be a B vitamin that your body needs right now. Whatever your body needs, it will tell you. You will have, if you do fascia releases actively, the cravings will on some days be really strong. That means you really need this. So take the time, sit down and tune into your body and think about, okay, what exactly do I need and why do I need it? For example, you might crave crisps or chips, but it might not actually be about the crisps or chips. In my case, I very often craved something chewy and crunchy. So yeah, I did learn how to make my own potato chips because I don't eat processed foods. But I also now know that if I just need something crunchy, I can also just eat some salted nuts. Perfect. So your body tells you what it needs, listen. And then allow yourself to actually eat it. Because this brings me to the next part. Emotional release and fascia release is kind of intense. There are emotions you might not have felt for decades that might have been stuck in your body and might have accumulated over time in your body for years and years and years. And when they are suddenly released, this can be really, a lot. There might be stories you were never even aware of, but that were running in the back of your mind over and over again. And when you release stuck emotions, these stories will come up because they're connected. There might be limiting beliefs you've acted on without even noticing that you did. And suddenly they will come up to your awareness. You will suddenly realize, oh my God, that's why I've always been doing this. It comes up. So this can be a lot. So be kind to yourself. Always, always be kind to yourself. If you need to take a break, if you need to stuff your face with fast food every now and then, If that's what your body needs, that's what your body needs. Yeah. Okay. Always remember you can absolutely do this. If I can do it, you can too. And thank you very much for watching this video, for even considering letting these stuck emotions out. Because that's a big, big change, I can tell you. And it is so, so worth it. So thank you for the work you do. And thank you for being you.